We're making a delicious garlic spaghetti dinner. Here we're going to need some eggs. We're going to add a little salt. Okay, we'll put that aside. Our minced garlic here. Okay, now we're going to add our spaghetti. Now let's put in our sausages. Now we're going to add our egg mixture in here. Stir that in. Level that up. Crack 2 more eggs. Yep. We're going to spritz it with a little bit of cheese here. Okay, that should be enough. And we're going to add some parsley. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Look at the cheese in there. Oh yeah, look at that. Look how runny that is. Beautiful. There you go. Let's have a little bite. A delicious garlic spaghetti dinner with eggs, sausage, and cheese. Yeah, you can't beat that right there. Oh yeah. Look at the cheese. Oh, is that beautiful.